First, though, former Central Florida attorney is under investigation. A family says they paid him thousands of dollars to represent them.
They say they did not know his law license had been revoked. News 6 investigator Eric Sandoval is here with this story. And Eric, you found out he also has ties to another attorney you have also covered in the past.
Yeah, incidentally, Lisa, we just told you 2 weeks ago about attorney Justin Inferna, who you see here being officially disbarred by the Florida Supreme Court after many of his clients had lodged complaints against him. Well, now we found out the Florida bar is investigating somebody who worked for him.
The stress has been horrible.
Bobby Jo Griffith says her life savings is gone.
This was my husband's life insurance policy.
According to this affidavit filed with the Florida Bar, the organization that regulates the practice of law across the state, Griffith says she hired James Patrick Woods to represent her in 2 business matters, one of them involving the filing of a lawsuit. She says she paid Woods more than $70,000, but according to the Florida Bar, Woods is not eligible to practice law in the state of Florida. Did he represent himself as an attorney?
Yes, he said he was going to file with Orange County on behalf of me.
The lawsuit was filed in Orange County Court, but the attorney listed on it was Justin Inferna. News 6 first told you about Inferna in January after 37 clients complained to the Florida Bar. The Bar forwarded the findings of their investigation into Inferna to the Florida Supreme Court, using James Woods' employment as part of their complaint. They wrote, Inferna has employed James Woods as a paralegal since 2017. They said Mr. Woods is a disbarred or suspended lawyer, and he was to have no direct client contact. Now, the Florida Bar confirms to News 6 they've started a new investigation involving Woods. We called Woods on the number he gave to Bobby Jo Griffith.
Hey, this is Eric Sandoval. I'm an investigative reporter at Channel 6. How are you?
He told us he didn't want to comment on the new investigation. We checked, and over the last 5 years, 243 attorneys have either been disbarred or had their license revoked by the Florida Supreme Court. 682 attorneys have had their licenses suspended, while 183 have faced reprimands.
The consequences of choosing the wrong lawyer could be very bad.
Leroy Purnell is a law professor at Florida A&M University in Orlando. He says consumers should choose an attorney like they're choosing a surgeon, carefully, with a lot of research.
If there are concerns that come up, the bar associations want to know about that. They want to be able to resolve those issues. And very often, it is a process of resolving those issues.
All right, again, the professionals say do your homework. The Florida Bar actually has a lawyer referral website where you can see if your attorney has an active license and whether they've faced discipline in the past. They also work with a nonprofit referral service that can actually fit you with an attorney who specializes in the area you may need it to do. We put links to those on our website, clickorlando.com. Just look for the investigators. And of course, guys, we're going to be watching this case to see exactly what happens in this Woods case.
So sad in cases like this, because obviously she feels like she needs legal help for a whole nother situation.
Absolutely.
Whatever happened to that case that she actually filed?
Well, we checked, and according to the clerk of court, that lawsuit was filed, as we mentioned, back in 2019. Motions have been going back and forth, but nothing has happened in that case since July of last year. It hasn't been touched.
It's just dragging on and on.
It is.
Wow.
All right.
If you're going to fork over that kind of cash, you got to do your research.
Do your homework.
All right,
Yep.
Eric, thank you. Let's turn